everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome. I hope you're all doing well. Just know that I pray. My back. I pray for you guys. Oh, okay. And thank you for your prayers for me. I'm getting better day by day. Okay, so I just wanted to share a couple of blankets I'm making. I have a tutorial for this stitch, which I'll link up here below or both. Sometimes it seems, I don't know, it seems like when I link it up here, or is it that side? Anyway, it doesn't stick. And maybe it's just I don't see it because it's my video. I don't know. Let me know if it sticks, okay? Because I'm going to put it above me here, and I'm also going to put it in the description box, maybe even at the end of the video. Anyway, all right, so I showed this to you before. I had all this. Well, this isn't all of the scrap yarn. I have some more, but I had put a bunch in this basket here, and I was just taking some, you know, almost at random, taking a ball out and adding it to the blanket and using the whole ball until it's done, even if it finishes partway through the row. Yeah. So I think I got quite a bit done. I mean, it's a scrap blanket. It's going to be like an ongoing thing. Sorry, I got a notification. So it's going to be an ongoing thing. So I didn't, in that tutorial, I didn't show you a border or anything. But the border is probably just going to be, I don't know, maybe single crochets. Who knows? Who knows what I'm going to do? I don't even know. But anyway, I had shown you, let's see, where am I at? Where is this? All right. Okay. I had shown you, let's see, this. I had started up at this end, and see, you can see, let's see, yeah, you can see, you know, where some of the balls were done, and then I just knotted on another ball, and I show how to do that in the video as well. But I think it's a cool stitch. To me, it seems like a yarn eater. I don't know if it really is, or it's just my imagination. But I was making another blanket with it for Camp Boggy Creek, and I thought, you know, to me this seems like a yarn eater, and if it is, why not use scrap yarn? Right? Use it up. But anyway, so I'm making like a lapghan, so I think it's 35 wide by, it's going to be like 40 long, and then I'll be able to make a couple of them and then donate them or something. Yeah, instead of just making one huge blanket. That's my plan, just to make a couple so I have more to donate. Oh, okay. Okay, so I don't remember where I ended up. Oh, when I showed you before, but this is what I've added to it. I don't know where I ended up. Where did I end up, guys? I don't even remember. But yeah. Okay, yes, now I remember. Okay, no, I don't remember where I left off, but I remember I was not necessarily picking at random. I picked like a dark color, then a lighter color, then a dark color, lighter, dark, kind of lighter, dark, lighter. That's what I was doing. So it wasn't exactly at random, but I wasn't. Okay, when I was going to pick a dark color, I was picking a dark color at random, and a light color at random. Yeah. But yeah, that's how it is so far, and I'm happy with it. Look, this, you know, where one ended, and I added another one, and here too. Yeah, but I think it looks pretty cool. I like this stitch. It has a bit of it has a texture to it. It's not flat, and so easy and so fast. Yeah. I probably could have had this done. Well, maybe not. Well, no, I probably wouldn't have tried to finish this one because I want to finish the other blanket. But I lost a whole week because of my back. But it's getting better. Couldn't even crochet. It was awful. Anyway, so that's the scrap blanket. So I keep it in a basket. These baskets are great. I buy them at just a thrift store. Yep. Oh, they're awesome. Okay, so the one that I had shown you before was that coral color. Okay, what happened to my thing here? It turned? A coral color. It was Caron baby cakes. And I had a feeling I was not going to have enough. And I got to a certain point and I'm like, oh, forget it. I'm not going to have enough. So what did I do? What did I do? I frogged it. And this is the yarn. It's got a fuzz to it. So yeah, it was not that easy to frog. But I did it. I did it. All right, here. Yeah, here are the labels. I think I was using a 5mm. Here, I'll just take out the labels and refresh your memory, or maybe you have not seen it before. Okay, so it's Caron baby cakes. Blah, blah, blah. I don't know if to make them anymore. It says limited time only, so maybe not. I don't know. A medium 4-weight, 240 grams, 8.5 ounces, 512 meters, 560 yards. And these are Soft Summer Stripes collection. No stripes in there. Oh, colorway is, where are you? Rosy red, although it looks more like a coral to me. So I started, well, actually someone mentioned that this color looks really good with white. And I'm like, well, yeah, you're right. Okay, so thank you for that, because I didn't really think about, I don't think I thought about that. And I had this baby yarn from Herrschners. And I had one skein and then part of another one. And this is just white, it's 100% acrylic. This is actually a 3-weight. This is classified as a 4, but I think it's a thin 4. So I decided to use this 3-weight, 100% acrylic. This other one, did I tell you? It's acrylic. It's 100% acrylic as well, right? No, it's not. It's 82 acrylic, 18 nylon. All right, so this is 100% acrylic, 100 grams, 226 meters. Yeah, these are made in Turkey. I love this yarn. You can get it at Herrschners for $8. I believe that's US. I'm in Canada. But $8 for a bag of 5. Now, okay, so I had it one skein and part of a skein, so I used it all, and I'm not done my blanket. But I still have this much left from 2 cakes of the Caron baby cakes. Okay. But I have more of that white coming. Yes, they still have them. As of right this minute, I don't know. I didn't check the site, but they only had the color white when I ordered more of it. A week ago, maybe? I'm not sure. No, I think it was less than a week ago. Anyway, I didn't crochet for that whole week because of my back, but I feel like I got quite a bit done anyway. Gee whiz. Sometimes I surprise myself. Alrighty. Okay, let me show you what I've done. Okay. All right, so like I frogged it, right? So then I started doing this, and that's the same stitch for that scrap one I'm doing. Yeah, so I did a couple of rows, no, 3 rows. 3 rows to start with the coral, I'll call it, and then 2 rows of, 2 rows of white. And then I went into coral, I did 6 rows of coral. Here, I'm gonna stand up. 6 rows of white, 6 coral, 6 white. Then I thought, oh my goodness, I'm gonna run out of white. So then I did a big block. Oh, this is just to mark that this is the front. Did a big block of the coral, and I don't know how many rows I did. I think it was 22 or 24. And then I went back into the white and did 4. Because this is 6, right? I think that might be 4. I think. And then I did another 24, whatever it was, and then I went back into doing 6, 6, 6, 6. And I'm here, and I think I need another, so I'm starting on my 3rd row of the 6 of the white, and there. So I have more coming. Then I want to do a neat border. Let me back up and see if I can show you this whole thing. I will show you it when it's complete. Yeah. What do you guys think? Do you like? Do you like it? Huh. When I see it in the camera, I'm like, whoa, that looks nice. Yeah. So I hope you like this. I mean, and tell me you like it. If you don't, is my camera moving, or is it, what's going on here? Oh, anyway. So yeah, I'm working on that. That'll be for Camp Boggy Creek. If you know Nancy, hi Nancy, from She's Got Yarn Too, she did a blanket drive for Camp Boggy Creek, and that's where sick children go to this camp, and she got a whole bunch of her subscribers to send in blankets to her, and the kids get to take them home after. Oh, so I sent one into her last year, and she's going to do that drive again this year. So yeah, check out her channel. It'll be linked below. And I think it's just, I just love that they get to take them home. Okay, stop. All right. So anyway, I'll show you this when it's done before I send it off to Nancy. Oh, okay. I think that's it. I think that's it for today. So watch for that tutorial for that Jacob's Ladder shawl. That's coming up this week. All right, you guys. I appreciate you all so much. And God bless you all. And remember, life is what you make it. And so is yarn. All right, bye.